tank view. And where can I put? Oh yeah. I know it's 1993. Just hold it. Because it only says Kohler. So here we go. Yo, fill valve card. This fill valve replaced an older one. It was like this, but different. This, when you hold it, like seriously. The fill valve they replaced the fill valve on the handle. Instead they replaced the Kohler hand. They first placed Mouse's hair handle. Before that it was a Kohler handle it replaced. So the fill valve was replaced. It replaced a Kohler fill valve. Well, the top of it was black, but it had like a little sickety. And the flapper was like that. And we still replaced a 1994 La Mosa Sahara. Okay. So I'm gonna put the tank back on. Bro. It's so freaking heavy, guys. What the fuck, bro? Dang. I like these toilets. I love these toilets, I mean.